Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new vlog. So today, myself, Bisoye and Ini are going to a Thai restaurant. It's called Thai Thai, and we're going to be trying out Thai food for the first time. Bisoye is actually behind the camera. So in the video, guys are going to see everybody. I'm very excited to try out this spot. I actually forced Ini and Bisoye to come here. But yeah, we're going to be doing that together. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the restaurant. Bisoye. Hi, Bisoye.
Hi guys.
How do you feel? Are you excited to try out Thai food?
Yes, I really.
Your skin is glowing.
I really tried new things, but I'm first me, so
Yeah, it's good to try new
I
things.
think I should like it.
You will, by God's grace. Hello. Happy birthday.
Guys, hi vlog, hi YouTube. Hi guys. Girls is girls.
1, 2, 3, go. You guys not tried the dip.
Very nice. We'll try with the dip.
What's your verdict?
The dip is nice. It could be colder.
Not the drink. This one.
Don't finish it in now. Not about. Yeah.
Bring your second round. What's your verdict?
It's nice. Let me try with the dip.
Out of 10. Let me say, give me the piece.
But the fact that I know.
Yes, so. Come closer now. Come closer.
It's nice.
Very nice.
He's us taking TikToks. BTS. Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad. Sorry. So laughing. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. It's actually your original yourself and then your hair more. Like 40% your body, 60% your head. 3, 2, 1. This one is fine.
Guys, you know you better watch out. Girls
Yes, I did. Sam forced us to say that.
No, I did not. Please don't. I had fun.
I did. And I love you
I love you guys.
Imagine you were not recording.
I'm not exactly sure if this is actually a brand new vlog, but welcome regardless. It's currently 10:16 and I'm all dressed up to go to the beach. This December there are four things I said I was going to do by force. Number one was attend a wedding, which I did. I attended a wedding after party, and that's something I wanted to do. Number two was go to the beach, and that's my event for today. I'm all dressed up to go to the beach. Omolade's sister is celebrating her birthday, and I was invited, so we're going to the beach today. Number three was get my claws back. Guys, these claws, they just bring out my alter ego, and throughout this year I've actually not there's something in the air in Lagos, but I digress. Something that these nails do to my personality, the confidence it gives me. Like, I'm a confident person normally, but when I do these nails, it's just like on a whole nother level. Like, I'm actually unstoppable with my nails. So yeah, that was the third thing I wanted to do. What was the fourth thing? I think I wanted to make my hair, but yesterday those hair people, they pissed me off. So I had originally booked my appointment for yesterday, and I don't follow the hair shop on Instagram or anything. I didn't know that they had posted their holiday schedule and they were not opening yesterday, and I spent my Uber money, my time, my effort, and I went to that place and they were closed. The funny thing is they kept sending me email reminders that I should not forget my booking and everything, which now that I think about it, I probably automated emails. But then why did they let me book if they know they were going to close? So I was just like, I'm not even doing the hair again, and I got new wigs. So this was one of the bundles I was showing you guys in my last vlog, or some vlogs back anyways. I don't know how many vlogs ago that was, but yeah, this is what the hair looks like on me. Isn't it so cute? If you haven't seen that vlog, please go check it out right now. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos all the time. When I'm looking at my YouTube analytics, most people always come back to watch my videos, and I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much for believing in this channel and supporting in every single way you can. I don't take it for granted at all. Please continue to watch my videos, continue to share, like, and just engage in my content, because putting out this content is not easy. It's not light work. So just continue to engage and support in any way you can. Okay, thank you. You guys already know I'm about to show you guys my full fit. Have you guys started watching Squid Games, by the way? I just downloaded it. I should start watching it maybe tonight. God, this December has actually been so busy. I had a December calendar. Let me show you guys my December calendar, and I've actually done something almost every day since December started, which is so crazy to me. Where's my December calendar? This is what my December calendar looks like. You can see that it's booked and busy. It's giving booked and busy. But yeah, it's been an eventful month. I can't wait to leave Lagos though. I hate it here during December. I actually hate Lagos during December. That's why I'm never here. So this is what we're giving them today. Nothing so crazy. Just this black dress and this kimono and my platform slides, my regular platform slides, and I'm just going to put on some glasses, and yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Obviously you find me interesting, that's why you're still watching up until this point, so why have you not subscribed to my channel? So please subscribe. I beg, I'm not proud though. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share as well. Even if it's one person that will click on the link that you've posted on your social media platform, it means so much to me. So please share my videos and engage. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Bye.
Got a bag full of feelings.
and a house full of regrets. This baggage is can't fit in no plane, don't mean to digress. Now I wanna know, what's the reason why you move this slow? As you move, but they cross my leg. Surely nonsense, my best to mommy. My best to mommy. You get the problem, my best to mommy. My best to mommy, and they fight my own demons, don't you see? Don't know, don't you see if you get the problem? My best to mommy, my best to mommy. No,
oh yeah, mamito, choco to mamiko. And I know for life for you, mami, yo. Go loco pa me, yo. I mean, not the love, but the try me, yo. Say my kind life, no they for me, yo. When it is nothing, she don't want me, yo. Big money, man, not the time, yo. I mean, not the man, I'm on my own demon. The bad energy on. Spending your time when you see us. We got the right energy on. Us to the rhythm, nothing long, yeah. We'll fly with the thing on. I who know they grind, know they belong, yeah. Bad energy, you know, come outside.
This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm a teacher. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not teacher. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Where to believe you, where to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only make me your matter. Make me your matter. Make me your matter. Show me something. Make me your pattern. Make me your pattern. Give me one break, I need where to believe you, where to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you.